the following laws states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed? It can be transformed from one to another form. The correct answer is D, that is none of the above. Galvanometer is used to measure dash. The correct answer is B, that is electric current. So galvanometer instrument for measuring a electric current or a function of the current by deflection of a moving coil. Which of the following is not a type of radiation in radioactivity? The correct answer is C, delta. The disintegration of an unstable nucleus of an atom identified as the radioactive decay of the nucleus. Which color has the longest wavelength? The correct answer is D, red. On one end of the spectrum is red light with the longest wavelength, and blue or violet light has the shortest wavelength. White light is a combination of all colors in the color spectrum. It has all the colors of the rainbow. What is the unit of intensity of flame? The correct answer is B, candela. When a blue colored paper kept in yellow light shows which color of the paper? The correct answer is C, that is black color. Which law tells us that under elastic limit stress is proportional to strain? The correct answer is D, that is Foucault's law. When a particle is executing simple harmonic motion passes through the mean position, then velocity is, the correct answer is B, that is maximum. Atmospheric pressure is measured by which measuring instrument? The correct answer is A, barometer. So a barometer is a scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure and also called as barometric pressure. Who discovered infrared rays? The correct answer is A, that is Herschel. So his full name is Sir William Herschel, and he discovered infrared rays in 1800. Which is India's first nuclear reactor? The correct answer is B, Apsara. India and Asia's first nuclear reactor Apsara reached criticality at 3:45 p.m. on 4th August 1956 and was inaugurated by Prime Minister Nehru on 20 January 1957. This is the inauguration date. Due to which phenomenon of light the sun appears reddish during sunrise and sunset? The correct answer is C, scattering of light. So at sunrise we see the sun reddish in color, which is due to scattering of light, and this is the phenomenon in which the light rays get deviated from the straight in which it was moving after striking an obstacle like dust particles, atmospheric water vapor, molecules, etc. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument called, the correct answer is A, seismograph. So seismograph are instrument used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake. Which instrument was used to detect gravitational waves for the very first time? The correct answer is D, that is LIGO, L-I-G-O. So in 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the very first time and they used a very sensitive instrument called LIGO. The full form of LIGO is Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. Which of the following light has the lowest energy? The correct answer is A, that is red light. So red has the lowest energy and violet has the highest. And visible light comes in these colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And red has the longest wavelength also of visible light. So it has the lowest energy. And violet light has the shortest wavelength. So it is the highest level of energy of visible lights. What is the unit of Viscosity. The correct answer is A. Poise. The wavelength of ultraviolet light is of which order? The correct answer is A, that is 100 nm. The phenomenon by which light bends when it travels from one medium to another is called? The correct answer is D, that is refraction. Which alloy of aluminium is used for making magnets? The correct answer is C, alnico. So alnico is a family of iron alloy which in addition to iron are composed primarily of aluminium, nickel and cobalt. In a thermodynamic system, thermal equilibrium is achieved when two bodies reach. The correct answer is C, that is same temperature. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.